Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I've got a couple of digitals here that I want to show you. This one is from Cara Brandon. She is on our design team, so if you haven't subscribed to her, make sure you go over and check out her YouTube. I will have her link below. This is called Nature's Palette. Very, very pretty. Love it, and it's a huge kit too. And she did a lot of this painting and things herself for the backgrounds. Very pretty. Those birds are so pretty on there. A lot of these you could use on the back side, and because they can still be written on. Very cute. Love the flowers that she put in. Told you it's a huge kit. It's very big. That yellow rose is pretty. And then journaling cards. And more journaling cards or ephemera. Flowers, butterflies. More journaling cards. Beautiful ephemera. These pockets are very pretty. Tags. Big tags. And more big tags. And then all of her words on there. Isn't that pretty? That again is from Cara Brandon Creations, and it is Nature's Palette. And I will leave a link to this below, as well as her YouTube channel, so you guys go over and check her out. And we did go ahead and do a kit number 2 for our lace floral. This one is like the other one, but different. Is that making sense? No, this one will go with our lace floral 1 and the ephemera, but these are the different colors. So this one's got some purple in it. There's that page. That one. And this is a tall journal kit, so that's why the flowers go that way. Let's just turn it this way so you can tell better. That one's got some greens in it. There's that one. I love these. I just love all that lace. I will be doing a journal with mine very, very soon. And there's that one. That one, and I tried to make kind of a backer sheet for each one, so, and there is that one. Alright guys, that also was in your newsletter, a link to this, but I will put the link below. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.